Hi, it's Brandy, and this is Hound Dog Hollow. Today, I'm going to be unboxing my Tamed Wild box. So, for those of you that don't know, I used to get the Wild Medicine box by Tamed Wild Apothecary, and then the last couple months, they've consolidated with their House of Rituals box, and I'm kind of gauging how I feel about it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. It's heavy, by the way. I can't smell anything. So manifesting abundance. That's pretty promising because that's one of my very favorite topics. Oh, there we go. Ooh. So, oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Right away I got a pretty bottle with a, it looks like a natal chart, not my natal chart, but pretty cool. Very nice. I love these blue bottles. You can see inside here. I'm going to put that there. I love their bags. Absolutely love their bags. I keep all of them unless I give them for gifts. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I think I know what this is. This, I think, is like a wax seal. I think you put this, you know, whatever, light it, put your little dilly bobs into this, melt it, put it down there. I don't see the stamp yet, but I am gonna assume that it's somewhere in here, or I'm gonna be making a trip to Michael's. Alright, so that's pretty. Actually, I'm gonna leave this out like that so that you guys can see it. That's pretty cool though. I got a spray. Kind of getting backlogged on my sprays. Ooh, intention mist. Witch hazel, lemongrass, essential oil, cinnamon, grapefruit, and lime. Let's smell her. Ooh. My poor little fingers, it's not working. Ouch. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just do it this way. Ooh. Definitely a different smell. I don't know how I feel about cinnamon and citrus. Well, we'll see. Let me see how I feel about it. This is... Ooh, this is pretty. What is this? Green quartz. Nice. I'm going to leave that on there too so you can see it. This is a big old mamma jam. I don't even know what I'm looking at here. It's very big. This is probably the heaviness. It's definitely oddly shaped. We'll have to read our insert to see that. These are usually intention papers. Ooh, hold on. This is a flower blessing. And this is an herbal tea for focus. I'll put that there. And let's slip this lace off. Oh my god. Oh, so beautiful. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. It looks like a tree of life to me. And it's got this beautiful little mossy bed. I'm so digging that. This is nice. Let's read about it. Okay, manifesting abundance. Admire the clean slate that lies before you and commend yourself for having released all ideas and beliefs that no longer serve you. So basically it's talking about a ritual. We've curated a box to practice the art of manifestation through the creation of a sacred bottle to incubate our intentions for the next cycle. So basically you light the gold candle, uncork the ritual bottle, set them side by side as you spend a few moments lying out the 12 small pieces of paper. So that's this. So basically, you're going to think about it. You're going to write your goals in your journal or notebook or whatever. Fill out the 12 pieces of paper with a word or a symbol for each month. Take the parchment for January and roll it into a small scroll. Hold it over the candle and allow the element of fire to ignite the words, setting your plan into action. Smudge out the paper and slip it into the jar. Continue this process until all the papers are housed inside the bottle. Add any personal items, crystals, or relics that symbolize prosperity before sprinkling the flower blessing over the jar and corking the top. Place a couple cubes of the wax on the heat-safe spoon and rest over the candle's flame. So, and then you seal the, basically it's for sealing this with wax. I was wrong about the thing, but that's still pretty cool. Basically allow the candle to burn out completely before placing it in a sacred space. That's pretty cool. So this is actually the insert that I was looking for. Okay, wax kit, which is this. Heat safe spoon, gold candles, cubes of solid wax. Intention jar, which is this. To incubate your intentions. That's pretty cool. 12 paper kit. 12 pieces of paper. Flower blessing. Calendula, rose, chamomile, hibiscus, hawthorn leaf, and hawthorn flower to bless the essence contained within the ritual jar. It tells you a little bit more about, sorry, let me make sure you guys got a good look at both of these. It tells you a little bit more about each of the flowers here. Moonkayat. Moonkayat is well known for its healing properties due to a strong frequency that aligns with vitality and spirit. Oh, that must be this. Oh, Moonkayat. Weird. I don't have anything like this, so that's kind of cool. Citrine Tree of Life necklace. Absolutely love it. Focus tea. It's ginkgo, hoshuwu, and guttacola. So that's pretty cool. Oh wait, there's actually a lot of stuff in there. Intention mist. To center the mind before journaling or manifesting, and green quartz. It's a stone of prosperity, luck, and love. So this is a pretty good box. For me, anyway. I'm digging it. So basically, I like the box. I am glad I like the box because I didn't like the last one that much. And I was kind of worried that I wouldn't be continuing on with the Tamed Wild box. I like this one. I'm going to give this a try. Just so you guys know, I'm not into doing rituals as they're prescribed in boxes. So boxes that have a definite thing that I'm supposed to do, I don't usually care for. I like to make up my own ideas. But I like this. This is pretty nice. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to stick with Tamed Wild. I will say, though, I continued on with my price for the Wild Medicine box, which is more than the price of the Tamed Wild box, and it's supposed to include extra stuff, so I'm going to have to look at other people's reviews because I don't see anything extra here for the extra money I'm paying. So I might call them and be like, please stop charging me $40 for a $29 box. So we'll see about how that goes. But anyways, Tamed Wild, January. Very nice box. I especially love this. I love this. I like this. This is all very beautiful. I'm really gonna be able to work with this, and I really like it. So please let me know what you guys think. How is it going for you guys? Let me know. Give me a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching.